The story of Ruth, Hebrew literature. This biblical story tells of Ruth, a Moabite woman who remains loyal to her mother-in-law, Naomi. After her husband's death, Ruth's devotion leads to her integration into Israelite society and her role in the lineage of King David. The story of Ruth embarks on a journey to Bethlehem with her mother-in-law, Naomi, demonstrating her commitment to community, selflessness, and kindness. Her marriage to Boaz symbolizes her loyalty, illustrating how compassion and loyalty can lead to redemption and meaning. The story of Ruth in the Hebrew literature highlights loyalty, love, and faith. Ruth's dedication to her mother-in-law, Naomi, shows selflessness as she leaves her homeland to support her. Their faith in God sustains them through hardships, and Ruth's loyalty and kindness are eventually rewarded with a new family. This story inspires reflection on values like compassion and faith, offering hope for a brighter future despite challenges.